dental isolation is a hot topic always, and we all know that after we isolate, we can immediately, perhaps if we want more, we can add another clamp, or if necessary, we can extend our field. But what happens is that sometimes you need to isolate the neighboring tooth. And plenty of people know that they have to use the teflon tape, but I had some issues with this material because it's very sensitive, and if you're not careful, it will immediately wrap around your fingers, and you're going to lose it. That's why today's hack was going to be how to use this simple teflon tape in order not to go mad. Let's say that you want to bond an inlay to a previously prepared tooth. Now, the problem is that if you want to spread some of your bonding agent on this preparation, it's going to be troublesome because some of your bonding agent is going to end up on the neighboring tooth. And once you cure this, it's going to be trouble because now your GGM1 is also going to cure to this side of your tooth, and it's going to be very difficult to remove it. Now, what you want to do, and this is my dental hack for the day, is to pick up some teflon tape and you want to put it on your pinky finger. You then just want to get the end of it and put it on your index finger. Once you have it there, you can pinch it with your thumb, and then you can use your free right hand in order to pick up your scissors. Then, if you have smaller hands, you can simply cut here between your index and your middle finger. But if your hands are slightly larger like mine are, you can also cut right here between your middle finger and your ring finger. What you want to do is see that as soon as you made the cut, the teflon tape is going to stick to your middle finger. And this is because it's most of the time we get electrostatically charged. Now, you can remove the roll from the pinky finger, put it down, and you can use the hiatus between your two fingers to easily grab a hold of your teflon tape. Now that you have it held like this, we can use it like dental floss and gently stick it to the side of the tooth that you don't want any bonding agent or cement on. And this is my dental hack of the day.